Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about the letter writing and what are the steps or procedure that are involved in the letter writing, and what are the steps that are or what are the procedures that are involved in the post office, and what is meant by speed post, and what is meant by courier, and also what is meant by parcel. So all these things we discussed here in this class. Now let us discuss one by one. Okay. There is a conversation between the friends of class 3. Okay, so regarding about the writing a letter. Okay, so before going to that, so first we see one simple poem. No language, no place, no the signs. No language, no place, no the signs. So there may be distance or noise, use the signs. Okay, here is a Ramesh. So first said that, oh, what a wonderful century by Dravid. So for that, Karuna replied that, so I like Dravid very much. So then Sunil said that, I too like Dravid. So yeah, let us write a letter to congratulate to him hitting the century. So then all the children said that, so good idea. Then Karuna said that I will write the letter. So tell me what is to be written. So then Uma said that, well, so your handwriting is good. Then again Karuna said that, friends, so does anyone have a postcard? For that Rita replied that, yes, I have. So it is at home. I will bring it now. Okay, I will bring it now. So let us write the letter during lunch break. Okay, so lunch break or break for cricket. So here is one thing you should be remembered. So what are the material, what are the things are required to write a letter? First one, postcard. So next, Sunil, Karuna start writing the letter. I will tell what to do. Right. So okay, here Karuna write a letter to David. Okay, here first, so they write place, date, and dear brother Rahul Dravid. So we are studying in class 3. We all like you. So your batting is wonderful. So it is a great pleasure to congratulate you on hitting a century. Yours lovingly, student of class 3. So your students, you should write your name. So X, Y, Z. Okay. So I will once again repeat it. So how we write, what is the procedure that are involved in the letter writing. So here on the right side of the letter, so that means inside of the first here. So inside of the letter on the right side. Inside of the letter of that right side. So first you write place and date. Next here, so dear subject, dear brother Rahul Dravid. So we are studying in class 3. We are studying in class 3. We all like you. Your batting is wonderful. So it is a great pleasure to congratulate you on hitting a century. Yours lovingly, student of class 3. So student names X, Y, Z. Okay. So next again Sanjay said that, do you know the address of? So here Sanjay asked questions to his friends. Do you know the address of Dravid? So for that Salman said that, yes, it is with my father. I will bring it now. So then Karuna, shall I write the address? So here two address. Here you write two words. That means Dravid address. And here also you write, so from address. That means your address. Okay, this is so in front card. Okay. Next Uma said that, write our address here. So from address you should write your address only. Okay, next Rita, look, the letter is ready. So how to send this letter to Dravid? So it is only, so it is the questions to question to them. Okay, then again Sunil said that let us put the letter into a post box. So all the friends gathered and take the letter and put into a post box. Okay, so then Karuna said that, hey, how Karuna again asked questions. Hey, how will it reach Dravid? For that Salman said that the post office is very near, the post box is also there, so we shall go to the post office and put the letter into the post box. So the post office is very near, the post box is also there, so we shall go to the post office and put the letter into the post box. So then we shall ask the postman how the letter reaches Dravid. Okay, then we shall ask the postman how the letter reaches Dravid. Okay, so next Uma said that Karna put the letter into the post box. Then Karna said that yes, I put it. So then again Sunil, so yeah, see there someone is taking the letters from the letter box. So will you please tell me why you are taking these letters? So we have written a letter to Dravid and put into it this box. So if you take this, it will not reach Dravid. So for that postman give answer to all the children. So don't worry, I am the postman. People put the letters into this box. So all the people put the letter into post box only every day. So I carry these letters to the post office. Here what is the work of postman? So postman carry the letters to post office. So please come inside the post office and see the work going on there. Okay, so this is in a post office. So again postman said that, see, this is your Dravid's letter, so it is going to be sealed now. So these letters have to be sent to Bangalore. Okay, so we send them by train. How the letters should be sent? So letters should be sent by train. So in Bangalore these letters will be carried to the post office. Again these letters will be carried to the post office. So in the post office they are sorted out on the basis of their address. They are divided into group of letters on the basis of their address. Next, the postman will collect the letters related to the respective areas. Okay, and also distribute the concerned houses. So this is regarding about how the post letter will be sent to their address.